Introducing the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. Call today to schedule a test drive.